Well, here's a quick tip for you. Don't plant pepper plants in with your tomato plants. It's not a good thing, as I'm finding out. It was an experiment. But as you can see here, we've got several peppers down here with the tomatoes. And we've got a jalapeno here, and we've got a bell. Now, they're healthy. They're starting to get flowers and little fruits on there. But compare it with that shovel right there. You see that? All right. Now let me take you to a bed that is just dedicated to peppers. Now look at this. This is the same two plants that I started at the same time. Jalapeno, bell. Check this out. Look at the comparison. Wow. That's what, three, 4 times the size as the other ones. And these ones are producing peppers already. Flowering, healthy. They're all healthy. It's just this bed here dedicated to strictly peppers is doing so much better than these peppers over here with the tomatoes. The tomato plants are just taking way too much of the nutrients. So I would suggest not planting peppers in with your tomatoes. I hope that helps.